Seller concessions. The term seller concessions is used when a home is sold and the seller pays a part of the buyer's closing costs. In other words, it is money that comes out of the seller's profit at the closing. Now, why would a seller want to pay part of the buyer's closing costs? Well, in most cases, it is because the buyer asked the seller to do just that. And if the seller wants to sell their home, they may choose to agree to this request. There are many factors that go into negotiating a home sale between the seller and the buyer, and we won't get into every scenario that brings about seller concessions in this video, but here are a few. Say a home has been on the market for some time with no offers. A buyer comes along with an offer, and part of that offer is asking for seller concessions. The seller might agree to this mainly because they have no other offers to choose from. Another example may be a seller and buyer have an agreement in place, and during the buyer's private inspection period finds out the home is in need of some major repairs. The buyer may request seller concessions before moving forward with the deal. Now that we understand what seller concessions are and why a seller would consider them, let's look at how these funds can be used. Seller concessions can be used towards the buyer's closing costs. Some examples are cost of title insurance, loan fees, prepaid property taxes, inspection fees, appraisal fees, attorney fees, and mortgage points used to reduce the interest rate. Keep in mind that Fannie Mae and HUD set limits for seller concessions, and these limits vary by the type of loan and the amount of the down payment. They are referred to as interested party contributions, or IPC. Look here at the IPC limits. LTV stands for loan to value, so it shows here with conventional loans there are different limits depending on how much the buyer is putting down as their down payment. For example, 3%, 6%, even up to 9% IPC is allowed for down payments over 25%. This is for principal residence or second home loans. Investment properties are limited to 2% maximum IPC. For FHA loans, we can look at the FHA policy handbook and see that the interested parties may contribute up to 6%. For VA loans, let's see Chapter 8 from the VA pamphlet. The seller concessions are limited to 4% of the established reasonable value of the property. Seller concessions are more common in a buyer's market. Check out my video on seller market versus buyer's market if you want to learn more about that. As always, if you like the video, please click the like button, and if you'd like to be notified about more videos in the future, please subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to comment or message me with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you understand more about seller concessions and how they can be used during your next home sale.